Alright, I'm going to take 135 and I'm going to multiply it by 15. If you notice up here, I've actually put the place values in so you can see. There's the ones column, here's the tens column, here's the hundreds column, and here's the thousands column. Alright, so that's 135 times 15. Alright, now, what I need to do is, the first thing I need to do is I need to multiply this 5 right here by each one of the numbers above. So I'm going to multiply the 5 times 5 right here, and I get 25. Alright, so I get 25, and so I'm going to put my 5 down here, and then I have to carry, I have two tens, so I have to carry the 2 up here. Alright, so that's, I put 25, I put the 5 in the one spot, and I have to carry the 2 up to the tens. So I carried the 2. Now I have to go 5 times 3. So 5 times 3 is 15. Alright, so I have 15, and then I need to add my 2, because I carried that over to that column, so it gets 17. I'm going to take 17, and I'm going to put the 7 here, and I'm going to carry the 1 up here, and then I'm going to go 5 times 1, 5 times 1, 5 times 1, and that's going to equal 5, and then I have to add my 1 that I carried. So I carried that other 1 over here, so I have to add my 1, and that's going to equal 6. So I'm going to have 6 right here. Alright? Now let me get rid of these because I don't need them right now. Alright. And of course I multiplied the 5 times the 1. So I get 675. Now, you notice that the 5 right here, this 5 right here is in the ones column. The ones column. Okay? The 1 right here, this 1 right here, is, this one is in the, let's go to a lighter color. This one is in the tens column. Because that 1 is in the tens column up here, I have to make sure the first answer goes in that tens column right here, okay? I want my first answer to appear there because it's in the tens column. So what I do is I need to make sure that I put a place value 0 in. Alright, because I don't want my answer going in the ones column. It must come in the tens column. So I'm multiplying by a 10 right here. Alright? Now, let's go ahead and put that 1 back. Alright? So, first thing I do is I need to multiply the 1 right here by the 5. Alright? So 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 5 is 5. Then I have to go 1 times my 3. And my 1 times my 3 is going to be 3. And then my 1 times my 1 is going to be 1. So I'm going to put my 1 over here in the thousands column. So my answer is going to be 1,350 plus my 675. So my answer is going to be 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. So I'm going to put my 2 here. I'm going to carry my 1 up here. So 6 plus 1 is 7. Plus my 3 is 10. So I'm going to bring that 0 down there, and I'm going to carry my 1, and I'm going to get 1 plus 1 is 2. So my answer is going to be 2,025.